Okay, so I've got a green woolly bugger on with a fish on up at Omak Lake. I cast to a pot of fish. A few of them looked at it and then refused. But this one then turned and came after it. This isn't the big fish I saw though, but it's a decent fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's taller.
Looks like it's about 18 to 20 inches, maybe a little bit more. It's a good colored male. Oh, I think he ended up getting hooked on his. That's why he's fighting so much. He ended up snagging him on the bottom.
Oh,
Yeah. No, I guess I got him in the mouth. That's a real pretty fish. Get him on top of the water and he'll come in. Maybe. Beautiful day out on Omak Lake. He's not real interested in coming in right now. Yeah, the thing about that net, it's got some measurements in there.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Green woolly bugger is the way to go.
Very nice.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
Wow, he might be longer than I thought.
Yeah, he's good size.
Oh, I gotta make sure I get that barb crunched down. It's gotta.
It's barbed.
Yeah, it's gotta come off. Let's put him in there though and measure him.
I think he's more like around 22.
There's 12 plus 9. So yeah, there's at least 21.
Yeah, I'd say he's quite
Very nice.
22.
Yeah, by the time you straighten them out, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, he's beautiful.
Nice Omak Lake fish. Thank you, Jack.
You're welcome. Nice catch. Did you tie that fly?
This one, no.
No.
Wow.
Might want to start tying some of those.
Yeah. I've got quite a few of them,
Oh,
actually, yeah.